Welcome to the historically accurate cartoon princess dances. Today we are doing the Nutcracker and the 4 Victorian dances. Today's Victorian dance will be the Grand March that you see in the opening scenes of the Nutcracker Ballet. The Grand March was traditionally done at the end of the Victorian era, right before a dance would begin, or as soon as they had enough people gathered to do their march. The Grand March was a chance to see everyone at the ball and be seen at the ball. The Grand March came into popularity, or the first publication was found in 1855. The march and file that I am doing today and the Arbor March were printed in 1881 by Weichman Brothers. The first Grand March that I have demonstrated is the March in file. The leading couple heads up the line of the march down the center of the room. Reaching the head, he turns to the left and his partner to the right, splitting off, the gentleman following the leader, the ladies following his lady around the outside of the room. When they meet up at the bottom of the room, they pass each other by, seeing one another, and then meet up at the top of the room where they had split up and come down the center again. That sequence will look like this. Our second Grand March will be the Arbor March, putting up a nice little arbor from the lead couple to the last couple. Once this has happened, the lead couple can duck through the entire arbor and either continue the Grand March until the end when they will break into waltzing, or continue to make another arbor to continue the entire sequence one more time. It looks like this. We will do 2 kinds of Grand Marches. One will be a traditional Grand March, the second an Arbor March. And without further ado, here is the dance for you.